Today is Friday, September 4th. Happy Friday, everybody. We're getting ready to go into a long weekend too, so that's going to be nice. I hope everyone has a really great Labor Day. Our I can statement for today is I can tell how many tens and ones are in a teen number and a decade number. Let's read it together. I can tell how many tens and ones are in a teen number and a decade number. So what we're going to be looking at is the difference between a teen number and a decade number. So my question for you is 15 and 50, are they the same or are they different? So I know based off of what we did yesterday and just this whole entire week is that when I see a 10 stick, I know that I can automatically say 10 and let's see how many ones that we have left over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is this quantity? This quantity or this total is 15. Now I'm looking at these 10 sticks over here and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line around them so that we don't get them confused. I'm looking at this group over here and I'm just wondering, is this, ooh, that's a crazy scribble. Is this quantity, this total over here, the same as this? No, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I know automatically that those are not the same. So this is a teen number because I have one set of tens and 5 left over. And then over here I have 5 groups of 10 making a decade number of 50. So we're going to go ahead and build. So what I want to know is 13 and 30, are they the same or are they different? So our first quantity that we're going to build is 13. So I'm looking at my 10 stick. How many 10 sticks am I going to need to build 13? I know that teen numbers, one group of 10. Now I'm wondering how many ones do I need left over? If you said 3, kiss your brain. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so then I'm going to scribble a little box around so that I know that this right here is 13. Okay, now I want to build 30. How many ones am I going to need? I'm not going to need any of them because we're building with decade numbers. So I want to know how many 10 sticks I need. Let's count. 10, 20, and 30. Very good. Are these the same? No, these are not the same. Okay. Sorry, I got a little tickle in my throat. So I know that these are not the same because over here I have ones left over and only have one group of tens. And then over here I have 3 10 sticks making it 30. So those are not the same amount. So what we're going to do is what we did the other day, I'm going to read these numbers with you and then I'm going to go back through and I'm going to point and you're going to read them out loud. Ready? 70, 13, 17, 50, 18, 60, 80, 16, 30, 19, 15, and 90. I know that these are teen numbers because what number is first? 1. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to point now. You read. Awesome. Great job, guys. So you guys have one last video to watch today, and that will be linked into the slide. I also, in your pathway today, oh goodness, in your pathway today, you are going to be working on building 19, and then in Splash Learn, you're going to count groups of 10 to work on our decade numbers. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you guys have such a great weekend, and we will see you guys soon. Happy Friday.